We can't cross the road.
And power!
Now, Jake, I can do the next one.
Oh, she's sinking! She's sinking, man!
No, it will be when you
We're gonna sink this time.
We're gonna sink.
I think it's less deep on the right side.
No, 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 no.
No.
He's just trying to be a punk.
Rachel, I'm so sorry. You're gonna be broke. Oh.
Those people back there.
Okay.
Took off my "Don't Talk to Me" hat. Now I'm gonna go look at a waterfall
Okay.
in the hills of Iceland.
Sweet.
Jake, jump and slide off that snow. All the way down. Get away from me. Don't stand behind me. I'm just gonna sit here and feed my birds. And he's so off balance when he throws. He's like,
Jake, get away from the edge! Jake, seriously! He's a nutcase.
well, the thing is, if Jake dies, we're gonna have a big deal because he's not family. Everybody else is like, man.
Yeah, I know. Oh, cool. What is that? A snow bridge? So you can try it.
Jake, could we slide down that?
You do not step on that. That's coming off. Oh, sweet! Snowball fight! Hey, that's not a good idea. Caleb, how do you feel right now watching Jake?
Oh, but I always do watching Jake. Of course, you never know when he's just going to trip over his own feet and die, so what's going to happen eventually? Just didn't think it'd be here.
Would you cry at his funeral?
I would get up there for his eulogy and say, Jake Gerst was so stupid. And then I'd go on to like 15 stupid jokes.
And I would just sit up in my
He put his
coffin.
he put his
I agree.
He put his M&Ms in alphabetical order.
That is not a good idea. I'm going to document your death.
Let's do a sweet back. No, I'm gonna catch my mouth. Right, so take it out and roll it.
Roll it?
Don't be dumb.
I'm not gonna. He's gonna throw it right to me. I'm not gonna die. It'll just be a cool background.
No!
Perfect throw. Can you try? Okay. This is a terrible idea.
Oh, sweet!
Edit out that first one.
Let's see the proof. See the proof. Are you too scared to stand on the edge? Come on. Do it.
What if the whole thing starts collapsing?
Aw, so nice. You're on video.
Jake, I already got pretty good at the bass. I don't want to move back to drums.
Wait, what?
Maybe I do.
You got pretty good at the bass.
The flies have come. Smell us.
It's funny because his nose is smashed against the camera. Judy, we need one of these to get over a fence line.
Yeah.
All right, now how do you get down?
You have to get over it a different way.
Woo, the talent.
I would Cubert it up that.
Trying to go down to the waterfall. Let's see if we make it.
Oh.
You might want to know why I'm alone. They left me. I couldn't go as fast as they could, and they left me. Here I sit. me a long hike up. Jake, say something. What?
She's over there.
You shouldn't be doing that alone.
She's with Annie. We're just like, yeah, Annie's enough. Wow.
I got it on video.
You got the rock on the video?
Yeah.
No way, Jake!
Yeah.
You did?
I got Jake jumping. Yeah.
I almost killed them both.
Yeah, you killed him. Good job.
2 less people, now we won't.
Another bunch of wires, guys.
Who stuck a bunch of rocks in there?
The canoe, remember that? You and Sarah. Sarah's like,
Mom's idea right there.
David, paddle. Did your mom come in this far? Yeah. Oh shit.
I had
I'm dying. They left me behind. Annie's gonna help push me up the hill. Ah, I'm dying.